So this is my 168 account here. You can see it here. So now let's look for a product that we can do a product test with, right? So let me click on this. Let me work on this fan. So I've clicked on this fan now. Let me see what we have. Now, basically, nearly 60% or 70% of us don't even know what to do, the right thing to do. If you are to patronize a store or a supplier store on 168, you don't even know what to do. All what you do is just to check the comment section. No, it is above the comment section. Now I'm going to be showing you what to do. Is a very straightforward tutorial. Now once you are visiting or clicking on any product that you want to buy on 168, there are some things you need to do. Now the first thing at all is to look for those who have bought this product, what they have to say about it. I will always tell you guys this thing. You need to really learn it. If you don't learn it now, you just keep on losing your money on importation business, and at the end of the day it will just be like what you order, what you get. Now you can see here that there is no comment. Nobody bought this product and they give comment. So I will not advise you to buy what other people have not bought in the past and they did not say anything on it. So for this reason, just walk into another store, look for the same product. So let me click on this one now. I'm just doing a product test now. I don't have a specific product that I want to buy. Pardon my English. So now let's scroll down. Let's look for this one. If now this one says 3 people have purchased this product, what did these 3 people have to say? Let's click on it and let's check their comments out. Right now you can see here, this is what these 3 people say about this product, and they did not even give it any ranking. So I wouldn't advise you to buy it because it's only for 3 people, right? So let's move to another one. I want to show you something that is reason for this tutorial. Let me click on this guy here. Let me see if we have enough reviews for this product. Okay, this is not having review. So let me just pause this video and look for the one that is having enough of review. Okay, now I want to show you something. Now this is a LED light video kit, right? You can see it here. Now in this case, this product is not having review, but the store is having enough of review. Now another thing you need to learn, although I'm still coming to the store, but let me just show you this. Let me scroll down. Now check this thing. This store is rated 5.0. So it is advisable that you can also patronize this store because it is ranking well and it is rated well. So I will always tell you, if you want to buy from a store, as a matter of fact, this is another first thing, important thing to check if you are not getting this right since all these days. Now what I'm trying to tell you here is the store rating is okay, is rated 5.0. And another thing that is very, very important is this, where you are seeing 72.4. This simply means that return rate of this store, the people that has bought from this store again, what are the percentage of them coming back to buy again from the store? Now for you to buy an item in someone's store and you get it is okay, and you still go back again, this store is not having up to date 72%. It simply means that people are not coming back to buy from this product. Now let's assume you bought a product from this store in the past and you get it in Nigeria and you see that it is quality and it's okay. It will prompt you to come back again and buy from that same store, that same product. So 168 have its way of giving a store review, which is what you are seeing here. So this 72% over 100 simply means that it is 72% of 100 people that has bought from this store come back again and still buy again. So this simply means that it is okay. But if any store is not ranking 50% of 100 upward, that means I will not advise you to buy from that store. Stay away. And if the store is not rating 3.5 upward or 4 star upward, please don't buy from that. That is what you need to take note. The first one is the reviews of that product you want to buy. Now in this case, now this one is not having review, but the rating and the return rate and the store review is nice, so definitely you can buy these products. But should in case you come across a picture or a store that the rating is not good and the return rate is not good and is not having a comment at all, please don't buy it. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Now let me look for a product that is well explanatory to this, that is having a good review and a good people have leave a lot of comments, right? Okay, now let's use this table fan as an experiment. So let's scroll down here. You can see we have 20 plus here. This simply means that over 20 people purchase this product. All right, now let's click on it. You click on this guy here and you can see, let me just wait for this guy. You can see that this product is rated 4.8 star. It's just remained just 2%. It should be rated 5 star, which is very, very awesome. Right, so check this comment section. You can see here is rated 5 star, and they even come back to snap the picture that everything is tally, everything is okay. Right, so this is what you need to know. Now this is another person's review. If you want to look at what they are saying, just screenshot this page and go to your Google Translator. Right, so this is another review here. This has shown you, this has given you enough evidence that what you want to buy is okay. That's another thing. Now let me cancel it. We've confirmed that people have purchased this product and it is good. Right, now going to the review, the store rating and the return rate. Now this is 4.0, which is awesome. I told you that any store that is not rated 3.5 star, don't go for it. Now this is 4.0 and is having a return rate of 54.6 over 100. This simply means that out of the 100% people, this simply means that 54% of 100 come back and buy from this store owner. So this is awesome, right? So these are things you really need to take note when it comes to you ordering anything on 1688 in as a first timer or as a beginner or as a pro. You need to really master these things. It is very, very much important, right? So I think and I believe you have been able to get a value from this. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I'm going to be leaving you with this next video here on how you can negotiate a price on 1688, right? So it's going to be displaying somewhere around this corner. I will see you in my next tutorial.